I want to show you something that changed how I work, and I almost missed it entirely. When I first heard voice-to-text app, I rolled my eyes. We've had dictation for years. It always frustrates you. You talk. It mishears you. You spend more time correcting than you save typing. This is different. The app is called Wispr Flow. I've been using it every single day. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it does that nothing else does, and whether it belongs in your workflow. Wispr Flow is a voice-to-text tool, but that description undersells it. You hold down one button, Wispr Flow starts listening. You let go, your words appear, cleaned up, formatted, ready to send. In whatever app you were already in. Any app, email, Slack, ChatGPT, Notion, a browser search bar, doesn't matter. The key difference from built-in dictation, it doesn't transcribe what you said, it outputs what you meant.
Here's what makes it different. I'm going to dictate one message two ways. Same words, same corrections. Hey Mark, wait, I mean John, we should meet Thursday, scratch that Friday. Go over the proposal with Steven. Built-in dictation gives you every false start, every correction. You still have to edit it. Wispr Flow gives you, hey John, let's meet Friday to go over the proposal with Steven. I kept talking. It figured out what I meant.
This is the feature most people skip past, and it's the one that saves the most time in real use. Snippets are voice-triggered shortcuts. You say a short phrase. Wispr Flow expands it into something much longer. Links, templates, your bio, full prompt structures. I say intro myself. My full introduction paragraph appears. I say book a meeting with me. My calendar link drops in. No copying, no tab switching. If you repeat anything in writing more than twice a week, it belongs in a snippet.
Wispr Flow learns over time. Two ways this works. First, when it spells something wrong, a name, a brand, a product term, you correct it once. It adds that to your personal dictionary automatically. Every session after that, it gets it right. Second, you can add words manually. A client named Bro, a product called ClickUp, a company abbreviation nobody else would know. Add it once, spelled correctly, and it never misses again. For anyone working in a specific industry, this compounds fast. Here's something most reviews skip. Wispr Flow is exceptional for prompting AI tools. Good AI outputs require good inputs, and detailed prompts take time to write. With Wispr Flow, I just talk through what I want. Rambling, corrections, mid-thought pivots, all of it gets cleaned up before it hits the prompt box. It took me 12 seconds to dictate a full, structured prompt I'd normally spend 2 minutes typing. Same result, a fraction of the effort. Works the same in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, any tool, consistent experience. On mobile, this is a different category of useful. I'm a bad phone typer. Autocorrect fights me on every message. It takes me forever to get a message formatted correctly. Wispr Flow replaces your keyboard on iPhone and Android. Tap the mic, talk, get clean text. Typing that message the normal way, 45 seconds minimum with autocorrect fixes. Dictating it, 8 seconds, every time. And every snippet and dictionary entry syncs automatically from desktop to mobile. One setup works everywhere. Here's the honest breakdown. Free plan, 2,000 words a week, all core features, snippets, dictionary, smart cleanup. This is a real free tier, not a 7-day trial. Pro plan, $12 a month, unlimited words, command mode, voice editing after text is generated, unlimited mobile. One subscription covers every platform, Mac, Windows, iOS, Android. Who's Pro worth it for? If you're writing more than 30 minutes a day, emails, AI prompts, messages, you'll hit the free limit fast. At $12, it pays for itself inside the first week. Here's what I'd want to know before paying for it. First, 6-minute session cap. For emails and messages, this is irrelevant. For long brain dumps, it's friction. Second, accuracy drops in noise. Quiet room with a decent mic, 96 to 97%. Noisy environment, around 88. Still better than alternatives, but not magic. Third, check your privacy mode. There are 2 settings, learn mode and privacy mode. In privacy mode, your audio doesn't train the model. If you're dictating anything sensitive, know which one you're running. So, is it worth it? If you spend more than 30 minutes a day writing, emails, prompts, messages, Wispr Flow pays for itself inside the first week. Start with the free plan. Build your snippets. train your dictionary, then decide. Link is in the description. Free to start, no credit card. One question for you in the comments: what's the first snippet you'd build? I'm still adding to my library, and I want ideas. That's the video. Thanks for watching.